Southern California has once again been gripped by a devastating wave of wildfires, leaving destruction in its path and displacing thousands of residents. Among those affected are several high-profile celebrities who have had to flee their homes or face unimaginable losses. Today, we'll take a closer look at the wildfires sweeping through Los Angeles and how these stars are coping with the aftermath. Since January 7th, a series of fast-moving fires have ignited across the Los Angeles area, scorching thousands of acres and turning picturesque neighborhoods into ashes. Communities like Pacific Palisades, known for their breathtaking views and celebrity residents, have been among the hardest hit. First celebrity, Maria Shriver. Journalist and former California First Lady, Maria Shriver described the destruction as beyond belief, sharing her heartbreak on social media. "Our neighborhood is unrecognizable," she wrote, reflecting the pain felt by many residents. Several fires are currently burning across the region, including the Pacific Palisades fire, which has consumed nearly 3,000 acres, and the Eaton fire, spreading rapidly across 10,000 acres. Meanwhile, smaller but equally destructive fires like the Woodley and Hearst fires continue to wreak havoc. Second celebrity, Cameron Matheson. Among the many celebrities impacted by these fires is actor Cameron Matheson. Known for his roles on daytime television, Matheson shared heartbreaking footage of his home reduced to rubble. "This was the place where our kids grew up," he said. "The memories are irreplaceable, but we're grateful to be safe." Third celebrity, Spencer Pratt. Reality TV stars Spencer Pratt and Heidi Montag also shared their devastation after losing their home to the flames. In a series of emotional videos, they expressed their gratitude for their safety while mourning the loss of their property. "It feels like a nightmare," said Pratt, with Montag adding, "There are no words to describe this pain." Fourth, Kate Beckinsale, actress. Kate Beckinsale, a longtime resident of Pacific Palisades, reflected on the profound loss of her community. In an emotional post, she shared how much of her daughter's childhood memories were tied to the area. "Everything we loved, her school, our favorite places, her friends' homes, is gone," she wrote. Other celebrities, including Eugene Levy, Jennifer Love Hewitt, and Steve Guttenberg, have used their platforms to offer support to those in need. Many have praised the tireless efforts of firefighters and first responders who continue to battle the flames day and night. Despite the devastation, there's a silver lining, an incredible show of resilience and solidarity among those affected. From organizing relief efforts to offering words of encouragement, the community is proving that even in the darkest times, hope can prevail. As Southern California continues to grapple with these wildfires, we stand with those who have lost so much. For now, the focus remains on recovery, resilience, and rebuilding what was lost. The devastation caused by the Los Angeles wildfires is a stark reminder of nature's power and the resilience of the human spirit. While the flames have taken homes, memories, and communities, they've also ignited a sense of unity and compassion among those affected. To all the brave first responders and volunteers risking their lives to save others, thank you. And to those impacted by this tragedy, our thoughts and hearts are with you as you rebuild and recover. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts or stories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and stories from around the world.